Hey, what's up? How are you doing today? This is Santosh here from Design Clients, and in today's video, in today's episode on the Click Design video series, you're going to learn how to create device mockups. You're going to create device mockups for a monitor, for a laptop, a tab, and also a smartwatch. This is not a smartwatch, but there are people who use smartwatches, right? So for them, you're going to create these device mockups, and you can use it in your marketing or your promotion for your own digital products or for your courses, and you can also use them as lead magnets and multiple things that you can do with it. So that is what we are going to do, and we are going to use Click Design to create these device mockups. All right. So if you are watching this video for the first time, this video is part of a video series on Click Design review and tutorial. So I am also testing the Click Design tool, plus I am reviewing it as well. So far it has been good, and I haven't seen any major problems in it. It is working absolutely great. However, if you want to check the previous episodes, here is the link for the entire playlist. Check that out. And here is the link for the Click Design landing page, you can call it. All right. So that's about it. Let's move on and let's create some device mockups. All right, here we are. So we are in the Click Design dashboard right now. Here, to create device mockups, you need to click on templates. And under templates, these are all the different options which you are already aware of. Now, after covers, there was an option called as sheets, which I have not created because I need to upgrade it to create sheets. Okay, so I don't use these, so I am not going to upgrade because I use Canva as well for other designs. As of now, I have not upgraded. I might upgrade in the future, okay, depending on how useful Click Design is going to be for me. Okay. So however, if you are into fitness or if you are into any kind of business which requires event planning or scheduling or things like that, then you can use these mockups as well. Okay. So if you are promoting your product which is into fitness, then you can use something like this in your marketing and promotions. All right. So we are not going to do that. Next is devices. So in this episode, we are going to create, like I said, a monitor. So it is, again, different ways of doing it. Like you can see, one is through Click Design itself. You can create the cover through Click Design and create a device mockup, or you can create a cover in any other design tool and move it to Click Design. You can do that as well. In this video, I'm just going to do create the design using Click Design itself. I'm not going to do anything else. If you have checked the previous videos on box shots and cover, you must have by now, you know how to create mockups in 3 different ways. I've done it twice, so I'm not going to do it here. In this video, we are just going to do using Click Design. So I'm going to select maybe this one. We'll create a laptop device mockup. Use template. I'm going to call this as laptop Click Designs Tutorials. Continue. All right, here we are. So this is how it looks. It has a nice glass effect as well, which makes it look a little real. Okay. So now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to edit it. And this is what we are editing. I don't want this. I'm going to delete this and add a new text layer. I'm going to call it as Click Designs and Tutorial, another layer. Call this as designing tutorials. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to white, this one to white as well, so that it's visible. I'm going to change the font to, I'm going to use the same font that I had used in the previous mockups that we created. I I don't remember the name of the font. I'm just looking for it. Give me a minute. Passion one. Okay, this was okay. Leave this as it is. I don't want this. I want this. Center. Use a background image that I've used previously. Maybe this one. On top of this, I'm going to use a shape. Change this to blue, reduce the opacity, send to backwards, and there was an element I had used last time, so I'm going to use something similar. This one. Left align. I'm going to do it. Okay, I'll leave it at this. Simple design, nothing complicated. You leave it like this and save and exit. Okay. See, I can spend more time on this. I've told you earlier as well. When you spend more time, you can make your designs even better. All right. So this is good enough for now for one of the devices. I'm going to save this. All right. Export PNG. It's done. So here is the image device mockup of the laptop. So let me open this in new tab. Okay, edit. I'll leave it as it is. I'll tell you why. Let's go to templates, devices. Okay. Now I am going to create a device mockup for a tab. Okay, let me find a nice looking design. Maybe this. Use template. Clickdesigns Tutorials tab. Okay. So edit. I'm going to delete all of these. This is a template, so if you like it, make some minimal adjustments. We'll leave it as it is. This is okay, 23. All right. Now I'm going to use the same background over here, what I used earlier, this one. That. And use a shape. Let me do this. Over here, select, copy, paste. Makes it easier, right? Right? That's why I kept it open. It makes everything simple now. I can just copy, Control C, Control V, done. group this. Alright, so this I'm going to lock so that it doesn't move. Lock, and this one I'm going to move it over center horizontally and keep it over here like that, and use this, copy and paste. Looks good. Save and exit. There, your tab is done. Save this. Okay, now we are going to export. So click on export, PNG, export, and there. Done. Okay, so I'm going to close out of this. Okay, so that is done. Now I'll go back to templates, and we are going to go back to devices. Laptop is done, and tab is done, and now we are going to edit a monitor. Okay, maybe something like this one. Monitor, Clickdesign Tutorials. Continue. Again, the same thing. Edit. Go back over here. Copy. Delete all of these. Nothing over here, hopefully. Okay. I'm going to use image as a background. Image, same image. Okay, this image is okay. Now I'm going to go here, copy, paste, done. Go back here. Let me group this. Copy, paste, move it over here, like that. Get this. Alright, so that's that. So I'm going to save and exit. Export, PNG. And that's done. Okay, and next is I'm going to save this. Next we are going to edit the watch. Same process again. Once you have your design finalized, all these mockups, creating these mockups becomes very, very easy in Clickdesign. So we are going to exit out of this now. Go back to templates and devices. Let's look at our watch. Okay, here it is. Use template. Smartwatch, Designs Tutorials. Continue. So here it is. I'm going to edit this. Again, the same process, nothing different. Let me zoom out a little. Delete all of these. Image, background. No. Okay, copy, paste. Copy, paste. Save and exit. Save. Alright, so now we are going to export this as PNG like that. Open. Watch is also done. Okay, close out of this. Exit. That's about it. So we have created device mockups for a monitor, laptop, tab, and a smartwatch. Now what we are going to do is we are going to bring all the mockups that we have created so far in these video series. We are going to bring them together and create a single creative which you can use for your marketing promotions of your digital product or any product that you have, or a course. on the internet, for your ads, for your social media posts. You can use it in your websites as well. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in the next episode. So if you like this episode, give me a like, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you check the ClickDesign playlist out. It's an amazing tool. Check all the different things that it can do for you. Okay, here is the link again. Try that out. And again, thank you for watching, and this is Santosh. Let's move on to the next episode.